Cambly learners. My name is Katie J, and I'm a tutor on Cambly Kids. Today, you will learn the vocabulary for my home. My home. Front door. Front door. Front door. Knock, knock, knock. Hello. Welcome. Come in. Front door. Living room. Living room. Living room. This is where we sit on the couch. Living room. This is where we watch movies. Living room. Kitchen. 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 This is where we store food. Kitchen. This is where we cook. Kitchen. Dining room. Dining room. Dining room. This is where we eat food. Yum. Dining room. Bedroom. 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 This is where we sleep. Bedroom. Window. 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 Look out the window. What is the weather like? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Window. Bathroom. 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 This is where we take a bath. Bathroom. This is where we brush our teeth. Bathroom. Garage. 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 This is where we park the car. Garage. This is where we store our tools. Garage. Yard. 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 This is where we play outside. Yard. This is where we plant flowers. Yard. Wow, you did a really great job today. You learned a lot of words about my home. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly Kids, Cambly Kids gives you instant access to amazing native English speakers who are kid-friendly like me. Ask your parents to schedule your next lesson with me by using the link below. Thanks so much for watching. Good job. Goodbye.